Hi everybody, I'm just down at a very good friend of mine. It's called Ken Jenkins. He's a jag man. I've known Ken quite a while and he's a bit of an old school, so I thought I'm going to let you have a look around his shop. He's got acres and acres of spares. He does all work, he don't look body work, but they do all mechanical and running gear repairs, engine rebuilds, so I'm going to let you have a look round because they said I can. I mean, these are a pair of Mark 9s. I think this one's automatic. I think that one's a manual. That was a South African car, that one. I don't know the Mark 2 here. This is well, I don't know, I'll have a look. I think is it a 3.4? Might be a 3.8 actually. Oh no, 340. It's got narrow bumpers, I've just realised. As you see, auto, that's a manual, and then there's an absolute beautiful 150 here. I mean, that's an iPhone. I know all yours FF4, you're going to be saying what's he doing, but I have got a few Jags, so I don't like to show you bits like this. But not got best of lighting. E-type. 4.2. Nice car. I think this is a, yeah, it's a coupe. Yeah, but is it? It's probably, I think this is a 150. Oh, I might be wrong. It's a left leg. It looks like it's in for some, obviously some work. We're doing some majors to it, so. Yeah, I think it is a 150. Yeah. And then one week's top down. And that looks like bonnet from 12 over there, what's got heads off. So, as you can see, blocks, heads. His spares, I mean, it's unbelievable what he's got in parts. And I mean, everything's obviously numbered up, everything's correct. I mean, as you can see up here, there's all grills. It's a bit of a really old-fashioned place, is Ken's place. It's proper. No, it always gets me out of trouble with bits and pieces. He tells me to go have a look. In fact, what we'll do, we'll have this video and you'll see it. I'll put you this one on, as I'm doing now. You'll see everything. And then we'll do a follow-up on it in a while, because I've told you I'm going to take, I mean, even details written down on edge there. I might be moving a bit fast for you, but you can see acres and acres and acres of gear. I mean, I don't know how good light is up here, but I'll take it up. But this is more and more and more parts. Not the best of lights, I don't know where his light switch is, so. But if you're looking for jag bits, this is one of your places. I think the light switch is actually up this end. I mean, I'll take you down because this is, well, this is a Jag Aladdin's Cave. I mean, I don't know how much you're picking up. Panels, doors. I'm sure Ken puts lights on up here somewhere. Could be wrong, but there's more. Yeah, I probably am wrong. We've got a bit of light, picking a bit of light up here, I mean, as you can see. Racks and racks and racks. Even down to gearbox, gators, shoes, engine mounts, steering components. I'm surprised. I mean, some of your Jag lads will know Ken Jenkins, Jaguar. More steering stuff. pedal boxes, Even down to washer bottles, shock absorbers, Mach 5, 9, 7, all there, so clocks, speedos, water, rev counters. Yeah, you're not going to go far wrong if you're looking for some Jaguar bits. Like I say, Ken Jenkins Jaguar. They're down at work, so not near work, so it's not far from. Just other side of Carlton, really. I'll put a link into the description. I'll take you back down. I like to see things like this because. Thank you, Ken. In fact, we've got the man who's in bringing me a cup of coffee. How good's that? Huh? I'm just.
There's a lot of XK and E-type stuff up there.
Yeah, I've just gone a full walk around. I mean, it's not best of like, but this is Ken himself, everybody. But what we're going to do, we'll do a follow up to this one anyway, and then what you can see. I'll show you this. Let's show you some of the insides of them. Just show you quality and what he sells.
It's a Mark 8 manual, came from South Africa, so it's.
Is this one an 8 or a 9?
Mark 8. Mark 8 manual, 3.4.
And is that that's a 9?
That's a 9, 3.4. Yeah.
So we're wrong on this one, everybody. This is a Mark 8.
Well, they look the same, don't they?
Yeah.
Well, yeah, these are drum brakes.
Right.
Like that, disc brake. I'll just move this out of the way. It must be 25 grand for this. The bargain, really. It's a manual in good condition. It runs beautifully.
So yeah, that 25 grand, everybody, for a proper car. It looks like paint's baked a bit. He informed me it was from South Africa, but it's more than presentable to drive, as you've just seen from me walk around. But there's a treat for you anyway. Walk around. What's your full address here, Ken?
It's Unit A,
Right.
Home House Farm, O'Day Lane, Workstop, S81 8DJ.
There you go. You've heard it from the man himself. And we've had, like I said, we've had a look round here.
The XJ Coupe, we just sold that one.
Coupe's gone.
We've got a very low mileage 340 here. 340 needs a little bit of body tidying, but it's on 34,000 from new.
Is this that one you had in before?
Maybe.
Yeah, because I think I've seen. Is this is one with all original panels on, isn't it? I think. Yeah, didn't it have steel wheels on when you?
It did. That's right. Yeah, you got a good memory.
Yeah.
But the bloke's changed the house. He's got nowhere to put it. He hasn't got a garage. It's a cracking old thing though. It just needs a bit of tidying around the edges. But it's never been touched. So. One thing about the Mark IIs, when you open the door, let go, and you slow this out.
Yeah.
Don't see that many times now.
Well, because it's on its original seals. That's
Exactly,
what that'll be, isn't it?
Exactly, original seals. They've never been welded. Yeah, same on driver's door, I suppose.
What's it done mileage, Ken? Did you say 34?
34,000 from you. It's been stood over 40 years.
Yeah, I can remember it being in. I remember me taking some pictures before to get body lines, didn't I? That's
right,
correct.
exactly. But since then, it's not been used. We stood outside for a few months. We stood outside last winter.
Oh.
We need to get it cleaned a bit more. Brand new return. Again, I'm asking 25 grand for that one.
25 grand for a 34,000 mile in factory paint Mach 2.
It'll make a 40 grand car.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it?
Definitely. So there you have, folks. Anyway, a good look round Ken Jenkins' place, and we'll do a follow-up video on it. I'm sure you'll be interested in it. I know some of you'll be pulling a face at Zephyr Lad saying, what's he filming Jags for and Jags parts, but I do have a passion for them as well, so...
Yeah, exactly. I've been doing it since 67, I haven't grown up yet. That 150,
I've just been round it, it's beautiful.
This
is this a 120? I was wondering...
No, 150.
I thought this one would have won.
Yeah, we're making it into a bit of a rally car for a lad in France.
Right.
That 120 there is probably the best.
Yeah. Dare I ask, Ken, how much is that then?
Must be 135 and it could be more like 175 in the real world.
Yeah.
No money about it.
135 grand for a 120. A proper one.
Yeah, lovely condition.
And is that a 4.2 or 3.8?
Yeah, it's a 4.2, so
4.2.
it's a modified car. It's got 5-speed box and brake and suspension upgrades. I'm asking 140 for that one. The proper UK car, that one.
Yeah, that's an eyeful. So,
Yeah.
and it don't look, well, it looks right, doesn't it? Sorted
Yeah.
right, isn't it?
Just got big X-ray brakes on and
Well, it's a modified car, so
Yeah,
you can you
lightweight.
dare go fast in it. You'll pull it to a standstill. So, anyway, if you like this video, everybody, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more stuff like this, and catch you all later when we do a follow-up with Ken as well. Bye for now.